The naming of trees, like all plants, follows a structured system known as botanical nomenclature. This system is crucial for ensuring consistency and clarity in the scientific naming of plants across the globe. In this video, we'll go over how trees are named, the rules governing this process, and the historical context behind it. Botanical nomenclature is the formal scientific naming of plants, and it is closely linked to plant taxonomy, which involves the classification and grouping of plants. However, nomenclature is distinct from taxonomy in that it specifically deals with the rules and conventions of naming plant taxa once they have been classified. The naming of trees is governed by the International Code of Nomenclature, or ICN, which provides a comprehensive set of rules and recommendations. This code ensures that each plant taxon has only one correct name that is accepted worldwide, assuming the taxon has the same circumscription, position, and rank. The International Code of Nomenclature follows several key principles. First, it maintains independence from other nomenclature systems, meaning botanical nomenclature operates separately from zoological and other classification systems. As a result, the same generic name can be used for both plants and animals without conflict. Another fundamental principle is the priority and type method. According to this rule, the first valid publication of a plant name is generally the one that is accepted. The name is anchored to a taxon by a type, usually a specimen preserved in a herbarium. Additionally, plant taxa names are always treated as Latin, regardless of their original language. This practice helps ensure uniformity and stability in botanical naming. The modern system of botanical nomenclature has its roots in the work of Carl Linnaeus, whose publication Species Plantarum in 1753 is considered the starting point for modern plant naming. Over the years, the rules have evolved through various international botanical congresses, with significant revisions to accommodate new scientific discoveries and methodologies. The current version of the code was adopted in Shenzhen, China in July 2017 and is called the Shenzhen Code. An even more modern version is planned to be released in July of 2025, following the International Botanical Congress that was held in Madrid, Spain, July of 2024. The naming of trees follows a hierarchical structure. First of all, species is the basic unit of classification, consisting of individual plants that can interbreed. Next is genus, which includes a group of related species. Above that is a family, a broader category that groups together related genera. Each plant's scientific name has two parts, the genus name and the specific epithet, which together form the species name. For example, Picea abies refers to Norway spruce, Pinus radiata to radiata pine, and Abies alba to the European silver fir, where Picea, Pinus, and Abies are the genera, and Abies radiata and alba are the species. Interestingly, even though Picea abies and Abies alba share the word abies, they belong to different genera, Picea for spruces and Abies for true firs. The name abies was given to Picea abies because it was historically mistaken for a fir, even though it's a spruce. Meanwhile, Abies alba is a true fir, with alba meaning white, referring to its pale bark. Beyond scientific namings, trees also hold significant cultural and symbolic meanings in various societies. Trees are often named and referred for their spiritual, medicinal, and ecological roles in cultural landscapes. For example, the oak tree is a symbol of strength in Celtic culture, while the cherry blossom represents beauty in Japanese culture. The naming of trees is a meticulous process governed by a set of international rules designed to ensure consistency and clarity in scientific communication. While the formal names provide a universal language for scientists, the cultural significance of trees continues to enrich human traditions and landscapes around the world. Understanding both the scientific and cultural aspects of tree naming allows for a deeper appreciation of these vital components of our natural environment.
Stay informed, stay inspired. TimberTalk.